Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a Microsoft account and your Minecraft platform choice. Sign into Microsoft Rewards, then set your profile country so offers match. Once signed in, link your gamer tag or Xbox account if you plan to redeem directly. Now, search rewards for Minecraft items or Xbox gift cards. Pick the reward type you need. This first action sets the conversion path from points to game credit, so make sure those links are accurate before you proceed. Once you have accounts linked, focus on earning efficiently. Do daily sets, use Bing searches, and finish short quizzes. These add up fast. Make sure to claim grindable offers and watch for bonus point promotions. They can cut redemption time in half. When you reach the needed total, convert points in the rewards catalog to the exact Microsoft Store or Xbox gift card value. Selecting the correct currency avoids extra steps. Double-check the region of the card versus your Minecraft account. Now redeem points and copy the code shown. Do not skip saving it. If you redeemed an Xbox/Microsoft gift card, sign into your Microsoft account and redeem that code under Services and Subscriptions or Redeem Code, then buy Minecraft or add content. If you use direct store credit, complete the purchase directly. If something goes wrong, first verify the card region and that accounts are linked. If the code still fails, contact Microsoft support with the redemption ID and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.